Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 3110, score of a string. So just going to read through the spec here. You're given a string s. The score of a string is defined as the sum of the absolute difference between the ASCII values of adjacent characters. Return the score of s. So for hello the output is 13 because we take the ASCII value of each character. So we do the absolute difference between h and e, and then e and l, and then l and l, and then l and o. And when we add all of those up together, we get 13. Constraints is the length of the strings between 2 and 100, and it's only going to have the lowercase English letters. So let's go to our notes and come up with some ideas. So the first thing that we want to be doing is we want to iterate through the string. The next thing that we want to be doing is we want to take two characters, and then we want to find the ASCII value for each of them, and find the absolute difference between the ASCII values. Then we want to take that difference and add it to our running total, and then what we're going to do is we're going to return that run total at the end. That is our the main idea that I've got for solving this. So let's take it, paste it in here. So we're going to do for I, or say for character in range, the length of s. Let's ASCII, let's just do this. So we should get like 104, 101, 108. None is not. Why are we getting this? Oh, that's why. It's because it should be s at index character. So we should get our 104 or 101, 108, and so on. No. Let's see how we do this. ORD. I've done this before and I forgot. ORD. Ordinal, I think it's short for. There we go. We get our 104 or 101. Next thing we need to do is get the absolute value. So there is a abs function in Python. So we're going to do total is going to be, we're going to add something to the running total, which is going to be defined as 0 to begin with. So it's going to be the absolute of this minus this minus this plus 1. And we want to go from 0 to the length of s minus 1, or no, it's up to and including, so 0 to the length of s, minus 1, and we're going up one step at a time. So if we were to return total, we should get something that's right. Okay, there we go. If these two test cases were accepted, let's hit submit and hopefully accepted. There we go. So that one wasn't actually as difficult as I thought it would be. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope this was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. Yeah, please feel free to leave a comment and I hope you have a great day.